Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sliding doors slide easier. First, thoroughly clean the door track. Over time, dirt, dust, and pet hair accumulate, creating friction. Use a stiff brush or a vacuum cleaner to remove loose debris. Then, wipe the track with a damp cloth to get rid of any stubborn grime. This initial cleaning step is crucial for improving door movement. Once the track is clean, it's time to lubricate. A silicone-based spray lubricant is ideal because it won't attract dust and dirt like oil-based products can. Apply a thin, even coat along the entire track. Don't forget to spray the rollers and any other moving parts you can access. This will significantly reduce friction and allow your door to glide effortlessly. Next, inspect the rollers. Worn or damaged rollers are a common cause of sticky doors. If they are visibly broken or heavily worn, they might need replacing. Also, check the door's alignment. Many sliding doors have adjustment screws on the rollers that allow you to raise or lower the door. Proper alignment ensures the door sits correctly on the track, preventing binding. To keep your sliding door operating smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to clean and lubricate the tracks every few months, or more often if you notice resistance. Addressing small issues early can prevent them from becoming bigger, more costly repairs. For an even easier clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.